Now ask him. Ask him if he's got a bad cold.
Have you got a bad cold?
Have you got a bad cold?
No, but you have.
Yeah.
He said you did.
No, you have.
No, you have.
You telling a lie.
You telling a lie.
Multi-legislation. Now you're sorry.
Now you're sorry.
You better be sorry.
Sorry.
I'll whoop your butt.
Your back.
I'll whoop your butt.
Your back.
Tell me he's ugly.
Tell me ugly.
You're ugly.
Ugly.
No, you're ugly. Ugly.
Ugly.
You ugly.
Want me to pause it? No?
Are you a pretty boy?
Are you a pretty boy?
You're a pretty boy.
You're a pretty boy. What?
Want me to pause it now?
If they made something like that you can talk to, and he'll talk back to you.
God bless you.
Hold on, Mom. Can I
Come on.
say something?
I
Want me to
love
pause it?
you.
I love you.
Tell him bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, Mom, can I say something?
Isn't that funny?
I never see nothing in my life.
You're a lazy cat. You're a lazy cat.
Okay, I'm gonna pause it now.